A drone came down on your property or you found one in a field. It's a few hundred to a few $1,000s of somebody's equipment, and it's got footage on the card. Drones are among the easiest lost objects to trace because most of them are registered. Recreational and commercial drones above a weight threshold have to be registered with the FAA, and the registration number is required to be marked on the exterior of the aircraft. Look for it. It's usually on the body or inside the battery compartment. The FAA doesn't publish a public lookup of owner contact details, but the registration number is a real identifier, and reporting a found registered drone through the appropriate channel is the clean path. The serial number is the second identifier. Manufacturers tie serials to accounts, especially for drones that require an app to fly. Then the footage. Drone video is heavily geotagged. The flight log on the card records launch coordinates, and a drone almost always launches from where its owner was standing. That's frequently a home address or a job site. If it's a commercial operator, there may be a company name on the airframe, because they mark their equipment. A word of judgment. If the drone was filming over your property in a way that bothers you, that's a separate conversation, and the footage is relevant to it. People Locator skip tracing has been finding people since 2004.